How to replace a 2018 Ford Shelby Cobra 5-button smart key remote battery. Now here's Sergeant Locksmith to show you how.
All right, so we're going to change the battery out on our 5-button remote here for your Mustang. With that being said, if your key ring is attached, leave it on, it's fine. Possible reason to change the battery is you're having issues locking, starting, popping the trunk, remote start doesn't want to work. Don't worry, move emergency blade, set to the side, and if you look, you have this bigger indentation right here compared to where the blade is. I like to use a flat tip, put the flat tip in, and just twist it. You notice the back cover pops up. Pull from the top down, and you notice the battery wants to come out. It's a 2450 battery. With that being said, with your new one, you'll put it in. Notice how it comes in this way. Push down, and you notice it wants to pop up. Don't worry. Back of your cover will hold this thing down. If it does that, go and put the back cover on, snap it into place, put your emergency blade back in, and there you go. You've changed the battery. If you would, give me a thumbs up, comment down below if the video helped you. Thanks again for watching.